the verification of mortgage nightmare. You are currently refinancing your home. You're about to refinance your home. You just want to know what is the harder thing to do or to get while refinancing while on bankruptcy, whether it's chapter 7 and it's been over 2 years, whether it's chapter 13, you have 12 on-time payments, or you completed all the payments. What is the thing that is going to be the hardest thing to do? All right, so I'm going to give you a clue. Well, I'm going to tell you. Is your mortgage showing in your credit report? Are you getting credit for all your monthly payments that you are making to your lender? If the answer is no, Wells Fargo, Chase, PNC, whatever the bank, credit union, they dropped me. My mortgage doesn't show up anymore on my credit report, which bugs me. I want to get credit for all my on-time payments that I've been making. Dude, you're not the only one. That's what it normally happens when you file for bankruptcy. They stop reporting to the credit bureaus. And I don't know why. I mean, I'm assuming they're trying to save money. They don't want to invest any more money in you, especially because they cannot foreclose on you. They cannot get their money the way that they want to get it. I don't know. It could be a billion reasons. The fact is that your mortgage payments are not being reported to a credit bureaus, right? So that is a huge problem, because one of the first things a mortgage company is going to do is they're going to be looking at your mortgage payment history. They want to know if you've been late, if you're late. That way they can have some expectations based on your payment history. Well, if we give this person money, most likely they're going to be late 12 months from now, 2 years from now. I don't know. You know, they want to make sure that you're going to be making your payments on time. So the best way to find out is by looking at your past history, if that makes sense. So what do you do now? Your mortgage doesn't report to credit, and the lender, your new lender, the lender that is refinancing your home, needs proof that you've been making all your payments on time. Well, that's what the verification of mortgage does. You want to call your current lender and you want to tell them, if it's Wells Fargo, for example, Wells Fargo, I need a verification of mortgage and a 24-month payment history. Two things, okay? Number one, verification of mortgage. Number two, 24 months, not 12 months, no 16 months, 24-month payment history. Now, what some lenders will do, I don't know if they do it on purpose. I'm guessing they do it on purpose, which is very annoying, is they send you the verification of mortgage saying something like, okay, in 2019, current, all the payments were current. 2018, current, all the payments were made on time. Well, is that 24 months? Whoa, there's police out there. So let's move this down right here. All right, so is that 24 months? If you think about it, it's not really. Like right now we're in September 2019. So if you've been making all your mortgage payments on time, that means that you've made 9 payments this year on time, right? Sorry, there's the cops right there. 9 payments for 2019. What about for 2018? Well, that's 12 payments, okay? 12 plus 9, 21. 21 mortgage payments on time, right? We need 24. And that's the problem. Some mortgage companies are not willing to give you the 24-month payment history. 24 months verification of mortgage. Therefore, that's why it's incredibly important for you to request a 24-month payment history, because that is the proof that you've been making all your mortgage payments on time for the past 24 months. The cops are gone, or they're all the way there. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So 2 things: verification of mortgage and 24-month payment history. 24 months. Sometimes when I send them a fax, I gotta put in a big paper 24 months from September 2019 to September 2017. Please, 24 months. Put it in the fax machine, send it, then I call them, and then I follow up with them. Hey, do you get my fax? You did? Great. When will I have it? You're gonna have it in 2 to 3 weeks. Great. This is just me because I am a crazy loan officer. I will send that fax again for the next 3 to 4 or 5 days until they tell me, look, you need to stop. We will give that to you, but you need to stop. Then I might, maybe, perhaps stop. Dude, it's all about how bad you want it. I get paid when that loan closes. If that loan doesn't close, it doesn't really matter how beautiful, how amazing, what a wonderful loan it is, dude. It doesn't help you, it doesn't help me, it doesn't help nobody. That loan has to close, and in order for that loan to close, you need to prove that you've been making all your mortgage payments on time. Sometimes, I wasn't planning to talk about this on this video, but now that I'm getting all excited in traffic about this, let's talk about it. Sometimes, the reason I use Wells Fargo as an example is because Wells Fargo, sometimes they decide that they don't want to send you that, or they want to send it to you. We'll send it to you whenever we feel like it. So 30 days from now. Well, we're closing this month. Yeah, we'll send it to you 30 days from now. Good luck on your closing. Well, in that case, what I normally tell people is there any way to prove that you've been making your past 24 payments on time? Do you have bank statements? Bank statements, by the way, is probably the best way. Some banks allow you to filter specific payments for specific companies. So if in your bank statements you see Wells Fargo, Chase, and you see the amount that you're paying, and you're able to filter all your payments for the past 24 months and put it in a printout and give that to the lender that you were working with, that might work. Now, I've heard that some mortgage companies don't take that. They're like, no way, that means nothing to us. Well, some mortgage companies like myself, we will take it. I mean, it will require special approval. You will require to contact a specific person in the company that has the power to be able to override that by using that statement. Then so be it. I mean, the goal is to close the loan, so I'll do whatever it takes to close that loan, if that makes sense, right? Other option is, if you cannot filter that payment, this is the worst, but hey, it's a solution. You want to get 24-month bank statements, all pages. What I say all pages is, do you know those pages that says this page has been left blank in purpose or something like that? Well, you want all pages. If the bank statement is 8 pages long, then you want all 8 pages long for the past 24 months. So all of a sudden you have a Bible like this thick that you want to use as a proof of mortgage payments. That's a solution right there. What about mortgage statements? You collected the past 24 months of mortgage statements showing that you made all 24 months payments on time. There we go. We can use that as well. By the way, a late payment is not, I was supposed to pay my mortgage yesterday and I paid it today. No, a late payment is 30 days past the due date. Again, if your payment was due on the 1st of the month and you pay next month, that's a problem. You are late. You're like, well, it wasn't my fault. Well, I don't know. Look, we can take the things in one by one basis. The fact is, you're 30 days past the due date. You're considered late. Most likely, you're done. There's nothing else we can do. Sometimes there's exceptions. If you believe that you qualify on that exception, call me, text me, email me, tweet me, Instagram me, put it in the comment section. I don't know, man. Find a solution to talk to me, and we'll talk and see if there's something we can do. I hope this information helps. Thank you for watching. Good luck, by the way, getting the verification of mortgage on the 24-month payment history. It's not easy, even though lenders are supposed to provide that information to you by law. It doesn't necessarily mean that they are going to give it to you immediately in a convenience way for you. Bye.